Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office. We're actually getting ready for some rain heading this way, but I'm excited because I have the May Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials to share with you. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. If you're new, then you will love finding out about Jordan Essentials. I've got some links down in the description below. I'm a consultant and have been with the company since 2004. I still love the products. I still love the company, and I've actually earned the title of director, which is really exciting. So I have a nice team under me, and we all just love sharing the healthy, plant-based, and good for you products from Jordan Essentials. They're all made in Missouri, so I love that this is a woman-owned and USA-based company. And without further ado, I'm going to share with you what's in the May Joyful Jordan box, which is their monthly surprise box. You don't have to subscribe, but when you do subscribe, then you have free shipping, so that's a nice bonus. The box is $29 a month plus tax for wherever you are, and this is always a little box of awesomeness. And the last several years, we've had a really fun box in the month of May, and it's kind of getting us ready for summertime weather. And if you're like me, where I live, we have already been experiencing chiggers and ticks, and so I'm really happy to have this May box in my hands. So the card that comes with the box this month says, "Times with family and friends are the best times." And that's a cute little image. It makes me think of picnics and just being outdoors in the summer. And the back of the card is going to tell us a little bit more about what comes in the box this month. So Jordan Essentials Bug Away Spray is the main focus, and then we also have our Afterbite Calming Stick. And it says, ants, mosquitoes, and flies, oh my. Natural, non-toxic bug repellent helps keep them away. Features oil of lemon eucalyptus essential oil, which, by the way, if you've never heard of oil of lemon eucalyptus, do a little Google search and you'll be really pleasantly surprised with just all of the natural bug away type properties that oil has as its benefits. And I was really excited to learn it's a very healthy alternative to DEET, but it's just as effective. So that's awesome because I don't really like spraying and smelling chemicals on myself and my family. So what you're going to get in the box is the 4-ounce Bug Away Spray. And as it says, it's DEET-free, aloe-enriched, and alcohol-free bug repellent. Oil of lemon eucalyptus essential oil is the perfect, healthy, and non-toxic DEET alternative. It's safe for the entire family, perfect for all outdoor adventures as the weather gets warmer. Spray directly onto exposed skin. So I usually get several of these boxes when they come out in May, because after that we don't necessarily know when we're going to be able to get these products again. So I always stock up in May. I'll keep one of these large bottles at the kitchen door, which is the door we use the most. So anytime my daughter is headed outside to play or headed to the woods for a little hike, or if I'm headed outside just to garden or, pull some weeds, things like that, then I make sure to spray my ankles and wrists and neck, things that are exposed. And then I also keep the little travel size. So this is a little 1-ounce travel size of the same Bug Away spray. I keep that in my purse because inevitably we'll be kind of out and about and end up sitting around outside somewhere. And so I love being able to just take a second and grab my little mini Bug Away spray and spray myself, spray my daughter, spray my husband, and we all kind of just get our little dose of Bug Away, and then we know we can sit outside and enjoy without ending up with chiggers or mosquito bites or ticks crawling on us, all of those things. They also work good for spiders, so even just like spraying the threshold of the kitchen door, so we kind of keep spiders at bay or ants, all that kind of stuff. And then the final item in here is the Afterbite Calming Stick. So cool and calm skin, lavender, peppermint, and tea tree essential oils soothe the itching and inflammation that comes from pesky bug bites. The stick application makes it easy to apply directly to the bite. So I'll just show you, these little sticks are so fun. So Jordan Essentials is known for their lotion bars, which are a solid form of lotion that has a beeswax base. So these little Afterbite sticks are kind of like a mini lotion bar that you can just travel with a little easier because of the size. So this one had like the little edges from being first poured, so that Beeswax is just going to melt into your skin. Beeswax melts at body temperature. And so it's just going to leave your skin smooth and healthy and moisturized. And I love the scent of the After Bug Bite stick. So it's just kind of cooling. That peppermint and the tea tree oil, lavender is soothing, and then tea tree oil is actually going to help keep things from getting infected, so it'll just help it heal up quickly. So if you have kiddos that scratch and scratch and scratch, it's really nice to have the After Bite stick around, because you can just grab it, give them a little swirl on their skin wherever they've got that itchy spot. And it also works really good on poison ivy, I've discovered the hard way. So it's a really handy one to have around. And like I said, it travels really well. It's not going to spill if the lid doesn't get put on all the way. So I usually keep both of these in my purse through the summer months, because inevitably we'll need one or the other, and it's just nice to have around, because, you know, mom ends up being Dr. Mom a lot. So I hope that was fun for you to see the May Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials. And as I mentioned, I'll have my special shopping link down in the description below. So if you want to pick up one or a couple of these May Joyful Jordan boxes and grab them while you can, so you're prepared for the summer months, definitely check out the link below. Other than that, thanks for joining me. I'll be back on Friday for my Beautifully Organized in 52 Weeks video, and on Sunday I'll have a planning video, and then on Tuesdays I share a Tiny Tidy Tuesday, which is part of a fun collab. So that video I'll be working on another box from my basement. Other than that, have a good one, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!